Hi, I'm Terri Berry, and this is video 3 for my pigmentation case study with my model Kelly. This treatment focused on pigmentation, dehydration, and uneven texture through a strategic combination of mechanical exfoliation and advanced regenerative technology. I began with an analysis using a table woods lamp to reveal what's hidden beneath the surface: dehydration, barrier disruption, and pigmented cells that need to go. I then performed an analysis using a magnification lamp and found my model's skin exhibited diffuse solar lentigines and mild textural roughness, primarily concentrated along the lateral cheeks and forehead. I then performed a double cleanse with a gel cleanser with panthenol to calm inflammation and glycerin to lock in hydration. Steam was used during the second cleanse to prep the skin for the next phase of treatment. I prepped the skin with 70% rubbing alcohol, and now for the main event: non-suction microdermabrasion with a diamond tip. This precise mechanical exfoliation removes damaged surface cells without aggressive vacuum pressure, just pure controlled resurfacing. Now here's where the treatment gets exciting. I then layered secretome that literally communicates with the skin cells, telling them to repair, rebuild, and produce fresh collagen. I applied a recovery serum to add additional stem cell technology. The eye area was treated with a serum that has antioxidants that inhibit melanin production from within. I then applied a moisturizer with ceramide complex that mimics your skin's natural barrier structure. Finally, I applied a broad spectrum SPF 45 with zinc oxide, fortified with alpha lipoic acid and vitamin E to fight free radicals all day long. This treatment provided exfoliation, regenerative signaling, and barrier optimization all in under an hour. Smoother texture, brighter tone, healthier skin is on its way for my model Kelly. Thanks, and have a great day.